Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll show you how to download YouTube videos on Android and iOS devices. Before moving further, like this video, click on subscribe button and you have to click on the notification icon. Click on all so you will get the notifications for all the upcoming videos. So first of all, you have to make few settings on your Android or iOS phone, and then you will be able to download YouTube videos on your Android and iOS devices. So first of all, you have to open YouTube application. Tap on your profile picture. Tap on settings. And then tap on downloads. Here you will see the second option, download quality. Tap on it. And from here you have to choose YouTube video quality that you want to download. You can select ask each time. You can select any video quality. Now the second setting you have to make, use SD card. You have to enable this feature. Now you have to go back. Tap on search bar. Now you have to type the video title that you want to download. Tap on search. And then you have to tap on the video. And then you have to pause the video, and then here you will see video like, live chat, share, remix option. You have to swipe towards left side, and then you have to tap on download. A pop-up notification will appear. From here you can select the video quality that you want to download. So we'll select the high quality. Tap on download. Here you can see downloading. Swipe downward. Here you can see the video is now downloading in our phone gallery. And here you can see video downloaded. Now we'll turn off the Wi-Fi and close YouTube application again. Now we'll open YouTube application again. Tap on library. And here you will see downloads option. Tap on it. And here you will find all of your downloaded videos. You can play the downloaded videos at any time whenever you want without internet.
This is Technology Consultant.
Without internet. So in the same way, you can also download YouTube videos on Android and iOS devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.